Some quality of life improvements have landed in single-use software, and so I wanted to take a moment and go over them with you. And if you're not already familiar with single-use software, it's a vibe coding platform where the user just navigates to a URL and they can start vibe coding an application that meets their needs. And the first quality of life improvement is, hey, we've got authentication now, so we actually know who our users are when they're using the platform. It's powered by Auth, so anything that Auth supports, you should be able to configure and use in your Kubernetes cluster. So let me get signed in here. And now that I'm signed in, the next quality of life improvement that you'll see is that we're actually addressing the user by name. And apart from Minesweeper down here, you'll see that I'm pretty much just on the starter pack still. There hasn't been much that I've needed to vibe code. But I do need something utilitarian that single-use software is perfect for, and that is DNS lookup tools. So I'm going to click Create New App, and my app name is DNS Tools. Category. Create a new category. New category will be network tools. And what should it do? A suite of DNS lookup and investigation tools, including whois for both the domain and the IP domain is pointed at, DNS lookup, and a tree of URL forwarding for the domain. I'll go ahead and click Start Building. And this is where we see the next improvement over here on the left. It now waits for Claude Code to start up, so you're not wondering what's going on in the background. Now this still takes some time to load, unfortunately, so I'll probably fast forward through this bit. And Claude Code has loaded, excellent. And we'll see that we are on Opus 5 now instead of Sonnet, but you can still use a slash model and still change it. Now, until we actually have anything, we're still going to continue to get this loading preview spinner on the right. So let's go ahead and ask Claude to start building our DNS tool stack. Take a look at your environment and build the desired DNS lookup stack. Okay, we crunched for almost 22 minutes. That was a haul. I could read all this, but let's just full send. Let's test it out on my own domain, devdol.lol. And see what we get. Look up DNS records. That looks about right. OC name, no MX. I am hosting on DigitalOcean. That is correct. I would expect some text records, so this may need verification, but by and large, this all looks correct. So I'm going to go ahead and click save, and I'll click publish, and we'll return to the catalog up here, leave the page, and we should now see it listed in our suite of applications. We can go ahead and click run, and let's test it on one of my other domains, deep13.lol. And again, I am on Gandhi, and this all looks generally correct. So thank you very much for checking out SUS with me, or single-use software. I hope it looks useful. I hope it looks like something you want to check out and deploy to your own cluster. I'd love to get some feedback, especially on the authentication aspects. And I'll do my best to keep you updated on new features and releases of single-use software. So thank you very much for watching.